it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be installing this super long 28-inch wig. It is actually booty length. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Today's hair sponsor is Cynosure hair. I believe that's how you say it, Cynosure. Cynosure, I don't know, you guys. This is actually my first collaboration with them. We want to give them a warm welcome. Today what I have installed is a 28-inch 13x4 HD invisible lace frontal wig. This is in the density 180%.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love.
This is the hairline that I plucked. This wig was definitely not looking like that, so I plucked her and she is so long.
To forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you.
Okay, I'm actually pretty happy with that.
I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like,
I am applying a generous amount. At this step, I do like to go in and just give it a little press down. And lastly, I'm just gonna go in with some regular Black Can Ebon OG, you know, to basically seal in any spots I may have missed.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?
Before we move forward, see this hairline, like the little white spots? I want to tidy that up even more. I'm gonna do some tinting. That white line. I'm gonna go in with some foundation this time.
Empty-handed, you like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep.
I think I like using the blue Ebon spray.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. supposed to let us know. Let go. We only got this life. No guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me. Leaving the past behind.
Look at the part, it looks good, but we want to make it pop some more. So I'm just gonna go in with some powder.
We're in places, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go?
I did notice the hair was looking a little dark, a little jet black, so I had a feeling that it was going to be a bit more resistant to bleaching, which I was actually correct. So I had to go in twice to lift the knots, but overall I was able to lift it a little bit to where the knots were not as noticeable. And I also plucked out a lot of hair from the entire hairline of the wig. I decided to do a middle part bust down because why not? You guys know middle part's my thing. But you guys, the hair does get pretty flat. Now, what I would like to mention is I did actually use some BioSilk oil on the hair when I was straightening it. I noticed it was looking and feeling a bit drier than I would normally like with my straight wigs. I would say keep a brush or a comb handy because you will need it with this unit. It's not super flowy, but it is a beautiful unit. It's been a while since we busted out the tape measure. Actually running in at 29 inches. I think it looks beautiful. I really like the black color, but I kind of want to be able to decide that for myself. If you look at it right now, you can see it looks very black. It still has some nice like flowage to it after applying some oils. This is a unit that you're gonna have to put some TLC into to make it look this good. Take that for what it is, you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions for me or comments, leave it in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so you don't miss out on any future uploads or giveaways that I do. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.
Let it go.